Hey guys, we're 3 weeks into this project, got the motors rigged, finishing up the steering lines, getting the wrap put on today.
Hey, this one looks so nice when you put it in fast speed, you know, and you can show them how fast we cut. Normally take like 1 day because we got to take care of the details on it. Then we put a knifeless tape to make sure we not cut anything on the boat. By tomorrow we get it done.
All the electronics are done, instruments are calibrated. We're probably a couple days from sea trial on this project. Can't wait to get it in the water and see what she does.